Hi guys, welcome back. I'm back home. We're just gonna do a progress update on the work that's being done to our house. بتستني على الفرشات. We have a bunch of workers who are like destroying a wall, and the mattresses that we ordered just arrived right now. No way, no way. But we're gonna show you guys the update right now of our construction right now. So here we go. Check it out. Wow. You see, guys, the work that we're doing on our house right now to destroy the wall, to make it more of open space. لو سمحت آسف. الفرشات صح؟ بدنا نحطهم بهذاك الغرفة اللي هناك. We're gonna move everything. So yeah, it's a work in progress. I will say it's a work in progress. Gonna go down the stairs real quick. In the elevators. These mattresses, they're made here actually. They're made in Jordan, but they are made based off of an American style mattress. But you guys can see the status of what's going on in here. They're coming up the elevator. When they come up the elevator, I'm going to direct them to this room.
I just want to say, notice how everything in Amman, it's all stone.
Yeah,
there's no wood in Amman because there's no trees.
Yeah.
The only resources available.
So far, how do you feel about it?
I love this.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even.
The mess is terrifying.
And here are the mattresses. They're coming in right now.
يلا خلاص
حامد عادي اصورك؟
يلا انا ما هي الدور كلها صور.
As you can see, we opened up the wall that leads directly into the living room, so you can see Naz and my brother all the way at the end. And it really just opened up the space. Made the space look really big. What do you think?
Oh my God.
What do you think?
I want to cry.
This is how it's supposed to be.